Hello, I'm Ajay from Canonic, and in this video we will learn how you can interact with the external databases in Canonic. So let's begin by creating a workflow. We'll name it get all keys. Uh, Workflows in Canonic lets you create your own API endpoints and automations. We want to interact with external database, so we'll select this DB query node. The database I want to interact with is Redis, so I'll pick Redis. I've already copied connection string, so I'll just save it here. Okay, so here I have to specify what operation and query I have to perform. So operation is keys, query is star, since I want to get all the keys. We'll test this if it is working. Yeah, so I'm getting all my data. That is good. So we can create another workflow if I want to, let's say I want to add new keys or new key value pair. I can say create a new pair. Here once again DB query node and Redis. I don't have to paste in my connection string again. The operation I want to perform is set, and in query it needs a JSON like object, so we'll provide that, which has a key value pair. So key will be, let's say, product 4, and the value would be let's call it keyboard. Okay, just need to enter the inverted comma here. We'll execute, check if it is working. Yeah, so success is true. Let's see if the key is added. Rerun the workflow. Yeah, product 4 is added. Awesome. So what we can do here is, this thing doesn't always needs to be this static. We can add dynamic values here. So all we have to do is wrap this inside double curly braces and specify the input. So we'll say input dot key. We'll remove this keyboard. We'll add dynamic value here as well. Input dot value. Now instead of static, we can put in inject these dynamic values, but where will we get this key and values from? So we can get it from here. So in input I can say key would be of type string and value would be of type string as well. Now we can even add a page and have that using the front-end builder. So we'll jump in here. These all are the components that Canonic offers. We will be needing this form component, so we'll just drag it here. We don't need description. We'll rename this name as key. Key will be key as well, and email as value, and its label will be value. Okay, so let's say I want to add product 5. The product will be say a headphone or a earphone. So after I click on submit, I want to trigger this create a new pair. So if I scroll down, there is a handler and it is already set to on submit. So I have to select an action. Action would be executive workflow. Workflow will be create a new pair, and we have to configure input. So key will be, so I'll be getting this data from this form. So I'll select form component dot value, and inside value I have key and value. So I can once again add dot key, and similarly here I'm getting data from my form value and once again value. So yeah, I'm getting earphone and product 5. So let's just add an alert so we can show the user that query has been executed. The we can add dynamic value here as well. So form dot value dot key is added. We can just write the message is added. uh, Cool. So we can just trigger this on submit. We can see the we got the success pop-up. Let's check if we got the product 5. Yeah, we got it. We can even query, like, if I want to see what this product is, I can just create another workflow. Get a particular key. Here DB query once again. Redis. And here I have to specify operation get. This is my key that I want to get. I can do testing here, and yeah, it returns the correct data, that was earphone. uh, and I can check the logs if I want to see what has happened. So I can see this has been executed from test, and its value create pair has been triggered once from canvas, and this is the data it received, which we injected dynamically from the form component, and the status was true, data was okay. Also get all keys was triggered twice. So this is the data, this is the timeline of the data, and yeah, this wraps it up. I hope you got something to learn from this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.